we are going to see that color pencils are better than sketch pens or not. So you are seeing that I made a cartoon character named Steven Universe, and I made a partition in just between it. So on one side I will be coloring it from sketch pens, and on the other side I will be coloring it from color pencils. So let's begin this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and also you can follow me on Instagram. Link is in description, guys. So here I took pink color for his t-shirt. The slippers are also pink. Now we will do the other side of the t-shirt from color pencil. Now I'm going to do blue in his pants. Now we will do pencil colors on the other side of pants. I was just checking the shade. Now we will do skin color on the arms, toes, and on the face. And please do like this video if you what should I say? Please do like this video if you liked the video, and turn on the notifications also. You can follow me on Instagram too for weekly posts. So now we will do brown color on his hairs and eyebrows too. Now we will do brown from color pencils. Now we'll do black in his mouth. Used a different shade of pink from the tongue. Now we will do yellow color in the star of his t-shirt. Now we will do from the color pencil. In the end of this video, I will tell you which colors and color pencils I have used in this video. Oh, I forgot slippers. Now this is ready, so you can see the difference clearly between both, and I prefer using sketch markers because see, I made this drawing from color pencils and it's a realistic drawing. So for realistic drawing, use color pencils, and the drawings like this and this use markers. You can use color pencils for shading. I used Dome's color pencils and stick color sticks and Faber-Castell connector pens in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.